I don't know what I'm doing. So, my brother and I are supposed to be fixing my car today. Which is gonna consist of some interesting things. I'm gonna take you all along the amazing journey that it's going to take to be fixing my car. So I currently drive a 94 Mazda Protege. It's the DX. It's a nice little car, but it's got some suspension issues. Just a little bit. She's rusty. The chassis are no longer holding the suspension. The suspension is being supported by the, you know that, like, back panel piece? Where the, like, speakers are in the back seat of your car? Yeah. That trunk space is holding up my suspension. I guess I'll, show y'all the process of how well this is gonna work. Oh my gosh, look at this. You're so cute. Yeah, you just come right on up here there, buddy. Yep. See y'all outside. Later. What is up? We're outside. Well, and by we, I mean me. My brother has left to go get some more parts. It's already getting dark. Sadly. Just now starting on this. So we're in my trunk. And I'm gonna show you guys, what it is that I'm working with here. This is the worst side. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my light here. This is the worst side of it. So you guys can kind of see just how bad that is. You can see how the spring is starting to pop through on that rusty side there towards the back. And then obviously you can see where it's just had water flowing down it and through the trunk. So I have to basically just rip all of this paneling out of here for now. And we're gonna weld a big old plate up in there. And hope to God it works. Over here on this side, it is popping through, but it is not it's not nearly as damaged. You can see the rust there in the back where it's starting to pop through. But that's obviously not near as bad as the passenger side. This side will be getting fixed as well, but not as bad. Not as bad. Okay, well, I have successfully removed the plastic bits here. Other than that top part there, the rust really didn't get too much on the rest of the metal. It's still pretty solid, which kind of surprises me, honestly, with how much water damage was getting down in here. Like, even the trunk bed itself, other than this little, like, plyboard and down in here where the little jack was, or is. See, there's a hole. Other than that, there's not a whole bunch of damage. So here's the metal plate that will be welded up in there. Fits the strut nicely. So here we have ourselves a beautiful strut. A beautiful, nice, crispy looking strut. And then we've got this. Hoo-wee. I don't think that's supposed to do that.
Because like that back corner, there's no way to get anything back there. I mean, without like chopping this whole thing out, basically. But I don't think that's necessary back there. I mean, that plate's way thicker than the factory metal anyway. And should be able to get a plate in the back corner here, right about in there, which will help on that back bolt. And then I'll be able to bridge this gap together. And then put another one over here. Get another one on this corner and probably another one in the back there. So that should stiffen up basically where the bolts actually go through the chassis. And then if I can put one back here, I can probably just basically take some of this and go across the back towards that back corner just to stiffen it up some more.
What's up, guys? Here we are. It's been the next day. And clearly here I am sitting next to my fully intact passenger tire. If you see up in there. The new strut in place. Super exciting. It's freezing out here, but I just wanted to go ahead and finish this up by saying I've driven on it today. It is doing quite well. The plate held up very nicely. And hopefully we can get to the other side soon, but sadly, the tank was getting a little low on gas. But for now, I'm just happy to have this fixed, because it was kind of becoming a, I think a life or death situation. Oh my goodness, okay. So now that I'm out here just freezing my ass off, thanks for joining me on this train wreck of a journey. Big shout out to my brother for helping me. Without him, I would not have been able to do this, obviously. And I would have been looking at, you know, either this tire falling out from underneath the car, or me just having to go and get a new car that I possibly, that probably just wouldn't have been like a good fit for me. I am currently working on an upgrade to get a Mazda Speed 3, which will be exciting to have. But for now, we sticking with the old rusty busty protege here. So I'm gonna get back inside and get this taken care of and stop freezing my butt off. I hope you all have a good day. Thank you for tuning in, and hit that subscribe button if you want. Bye, guys.